Alright, Travis picking part 2. Teague here. So, Travis picking, we said basically is going to go from the thumb to the index, back to the thumb to the middle. So thumb, index, thumb, middle. In the first part, we kept the thumb on one string to make it a little bit easier. But Travis picking typically has the thumb moving between two different notes. So that's what we're going to do this time. So like video 1, we are going to leave the index finger on the 3rd string. We are going to leave the middle finger on the 2nd string. The difference this time, because we're going to play a C chord, instead of last time we just used some open strings. So C chord, probably know this, 1st finger on the 1st fret of your 2nd string, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of your 4th string, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of your 5th string. The thumb now is going to go from the 5th string, but it's also going to play the 4th string. So it's going to go back and forth between 5 and 4. Give us a C and an E. But we're still going to go thumb, index, so thumb on the 5, index on 3, back to thumb, but this time thumb is on 4, then middle finger will play that 2nd string. So we're still going thumb, index, thumb, middle, thumb, index, thumb, middle. The difference is the thumb is going from 5 to 4, 5 to 4. So 5th string, 3rd string, 4th string, 2nd string. I almost mixed myself up. So 5, 3, 4, 2. Thumb, index, thumb, middle. Travis picking. And this we're just doing on a C chord. In the last exercise, we were just using some open strings, keeping the thumb on the low E. So keeping this video very short again, but part 3 is coming up, and I think that's the part that you probably are looking to really learn. But work on that a little tiny bit, get comfortable with that. Musiclearn.com is the site. There is material to go along with this. You'll find it in the description. It is part of a 3-part free 3-part, I did that in the last video, free 3-part series on fingerpicking. It's free. That's in the part I just said. And it's part of a bigger thing if you're really interested in diving into fingerpicking deeper. Subscribe, turn your notifications on, like, comment, you know the drill. And yeah, Teague, his name, my name, I'm Teague. Musiclearn.com site, Tripp uses the channel. Thanks for watching.